Hey guys, today I will be doing an overview, and this is my Sharpfire. You can put the stop right here, or you can take it off and put it right here. I don't have the muzzle right here now. I don't know where it's at, but that's what you can do with that. I have 102 Nerf bullets. I have the Nerf Maverick Revolver 6. I have a Nerf pistol. This is what Maverick 6 looks like. I have another Maverick 6. I have the exact strike. This is what it looks like. And then this is also the video. But this is my giveaway. Lava juice, sand that he used in his video, and a glow-in-the-dark fidget spinner. Comment down below which one you want, and I will give away 3 Nerf guns.